Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your speaker Bose SoundLink Color II to the application. Firstly, we should pair the speaker with the phone. And if you did it, just go to step 2. Now, open Settings, Bluetooth, press one time at the power button. Now it enter to prank mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold at the Bluetooth button. Now click on it at the device list and hide the settings. Now let's go to the step 2, open the application. I agree, skip. And now it find the speaker. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!